Some journeys are not about distance, they are about time. On the way, life slowed down. We passed silkworm farms, rows of green leaves feeding tiny lives, reminding me how quietly nature works. After many years, I found myself walking again with my school friend. Same faces, different lives, but the laughter was exactly the same. We met villagers cleaning finger millet under the open sky. No rush, no complaints, just work and peace. That moment stayed with me. Maybe success isn't always speed, maybe it's simplicity. Then the trek truly began. Rocky paths, open grasslands, and forest patches welcomed us. This was our trek to Handi Gundi Betta, a quiet hill near Ramanagara, about 60 kilometers from Bengaluru, is an easy to moderate trek of around 5 to 6 kilometers. Not just a hike, but a reunion with memories. These hills are part of the ancient rocky formations of Ramanagara, believed to be over 1 billion years old, standing strong through time and weather. The forest felt silent, wild, and honest. Though it is a restricted area, adventure sometimes calls, not to conquer nature, but to experience it. The climb grew tougher. We were tired, sweaty, breathing heavy. So we stopped, laughed, and talked about life, jobs, dreams, pressure, how school days felt lighter and adulthood feels heavier. As we climbed higher, my heart felt heavier, not from the trek, but from what I saw. Burned grasslands, mountains slowly destroyed, nature sacrificed for commercial gain. It hurt. Mountains don't speak or protest, they simply endure. And I wondered what we are becoming if progress means destruction. At the top, everything made sense. A flag stood tall. And a Shiva Linga reminded us that these hills are not just landscapes, but spiritual spaces. Endless mountains stretched into the horizon. A silent lake rested below. Stillness, prayer, and protection. Nature does not hurry, yet everything is accomplished. Handi Gundi is especially known for its sunrise views. Early mornings here are magical. Mist floating between hills, soft light on ancient rocks, and complete silence. No crowds, no chaos, just you and the earth. We lay under the shade, eyes closed, bodies tired, souls awake. No traffic, no notifications, no deadlines. Just wind, birds, and breath. The kind of calm the city can never give. I wished time would pause here forever. I'm grateful to my friend for bringing me here. Not just a trek, but a memory I'll carry forever. This journey reminded me of something important. We don't go to nature to escape life. We go there to remember how to live. That's not just a trek, that's healing.